So, video three. When I go for a walk, I pick up these bottles. I find these bottles, alcohol bottles, or I find these glass bottles lying everywhere in the street or the roads. I pick up these bottles. I get them home and I just kind of clean them up and stuff and all that. And I, uh, have these cuttings and I've planted these cuttings. So, most of these are all those, okay? And I have these colorful vases which I've placed on the windowsills, and I've put these nice cuttings of plants which are normally planted in vases and stuff, but I took a chance and I did not follow what the conventional school of thought says. सब plants गमले में होने चाहिए. मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं करा. I was just experimenting. I just took a chance and experimented by putting them only in water. So these plants turned out to be there. Can you see? So these plants are growing better than they would be in a gamla. Okay, तो तीन चार plants हैं जो अच्छे चल रहे हैं, गमले वाले भी और नॉन गमले वाले भी. And I'm sure you're going to feel good about those from an interiors point of view or an aesthetics point of view. In English, what I'm saying is that from an interiors and an aesthetic point of view, you're going to enjoy these plants and these are going to definitely make you feel good and great, and they're going to uplift the ambience of your rooms and corners or wherever, whichever space you place them in. They don't necessarily have to be in plants and pots, they can be in bottles, and they're definitely going to elevate your overall state of mind and stuff. Forget the word mood, right? So number one is palm. So palm, I thought would not work in winters, but palm on the whole does very good in winters and stuff. So try and get palms, green palms. They work very well. Research on those. Plums are very good. Number two is the snake plant, which is very popular. The snake plant also works very well because it's one of the ideal plants for this concept of carbon monoxide and oxygen and stuff. Google it, research it. I'm not going to make it that easy for you and stuff. Maybe you'll learn a little extra on plants and stuff. Snake plant, number two, place it in nooks and corners of your rooms. Even if you have an air purifier playing or on the whole day, you can, during different parts of the day, switch off your air purifier, keep your snake plants very close, wherever, on a dining table, on your dressing table, in your dining room, in your kitchen, on your shelves, on top of your refrigerator, maybe wherever you make your chai, wherever you make your coffee, your entrance, your workstations, your bedrooms, wherever. The closer they are, the better they are. But try and keep them a little away from your bed because you have the chances of मच्छर. तीसरा है आपका jade plant. Jade के और भी benefits हैं. Jade is basically also for your wealth and stuff, so try and get jade. And jade also is very easy to maintain. धूप थोड़ी कम चाहिए होती है, so maintain these three plants. Rest of it you can all Google. And there are lots and lots of other plants also. The idea is that these are good for pollution, but there are lots of other plants, like you can have bamboo, which is so good for feng shui. 4 sticks, 5 sticks, 7 sticks, 9 sticks, then you can have money plants, which are really very easy. Get a sunflower, try and plant more of sunflowers because कहते रहेगा you मैं, and I'm still reminding you and I'm still saying it, but sunflowers definitely, maybe even I'm going to do it this year. Sunflowers, once the exhibitions and everything are on, or maybe on Amazon you can order, or maybe pick them up from a nursery or something, but get some get some sunflowers and try and plant those because they're very good also from a viewpoint of the view. It gets enhances. They look very good. अच्छा लगेगा आपका, मतलब देखने में अच्छा लगेगा. और दूसरी चीज़ है आसान है मेंटेन करना, और तीसरी चीज़ ये है कि पोल्यूशन में भी वो आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. ओके, ग्लैडोला थोड़े डाउटफुल हैं. घर के अंदर आर्टिफिशियल लगाएं तो बेटर है, चलते नहीं है ज़्यादा, बट यू कैन ट्राई. एंड बाकी जो आपके सीजनल प्लांट्स हैं, दोज आर वेरी गुड, And there are lots of other purifier plants and stuff. I don't know the names right now. The names are very long, but 4-5 plants are good to go. Otherwise, if you want to go in for the premium and the luxury one, you can go in for tulips, you can go in for daffodils, you can go in for roses, you can go in for lilies, whatever you like, So go into a good shop and pick up. And these days, artificial plants are also very close to the real looking ones and stuff, but the point is your spirit And your state of mind, the word is mood. You're not going to feel that good if you have all artificial plants, so have a mix of all of those. And the best way is to keep circulating those plants, because your plants also want sunshine. So it should be this way कि एक कॉर्नर में लगा दिया गमला, वो उधर ही लगा हुआ है, तो उसको धूप की ज़रूरत है. So try and also schedule plants को, pick them up and put them in a corner where they're getting good sunshine. इमेजिन आप धूप में बैठते हैं रोज़, तो आपको कितना अच्छा लगता है, आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल खुल जाती है और आप यू फील सो गुड, सो सिमिलरली ट्राई एंड लीव योर प्लांट्स फॉर मे बी फ्यू आवर्स. इफ़ यू आर नॉट इन अ house or a space which is, or an office which has got all rooms sunny, so do that, and put them back. And maintain those plants and you look good, you'll feel good. The plants are also going to kind of feel amazing. So on that note, a big cheers. So wishing everybody a Merry Christmas for those who are still going to celebrate or are about to celebrate and are still in the spirit and stuff from different countries. And for those who are wanting to do some shopping for your home, try and consider this idea. Get some good planters. Try and use colorful ones and stuff. Pastel shades will really help you, because with the gloom and with the darkness and everything, always a good idea to get a little colorful and stuff. Not very not very shocking in colors and stuff, because it can be very intimidating for other people. Avoid too much of purple and avoid too loud. It's not a very good idea. Go for some nice moderation in colors and stuff and all, because they're very easy to maintain and stuff. So try some ceramics, or try some try some pastel shades. Those should be good, because you have to think a little far-fetched and a little about the next season also. So I'll leave you on that note. Enjoy yourself. So cheers on a nice chai with positive chi. So look after your plants. See, I've got so many of them here. And the next share will be on some feng shui tips and stuff. Might as well talk about the topic. So of interest, which is mine, and I'm sure of other people also, because we don't want to talk too much about pollution and stuff. Not very good for your health and stuff. So try and pick up some nice nice green plants, flurry plants, non-flurry plants, whatever you like. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy yourself while you take the little break or that little off in the holiday season, and you're going to feel definitely better overall. You can also play some small candles or statues, or you can play some nice, those lights around those plants and stuff, and they're definitely going to become a decoration area for you and stuff. And one step further, if you want to highlight that area, if you think your glass is not looking good, let's say you have a window like that and stuff and all behind me, it's clean, it's nice. Next level is you can always extend the theme to maybe, films which are in these days with the flora theme and stuff. So all these ideas come to you when you disconnect from stuff that makes you angry, or gets you your temper flaring, or gives you blood pressure, or gets you, in a bad state of mind, or gets you, feeling some rage and stuff. So feeling moderation is a good idea, and extremes is a bad idea. So 3 plants. So palm, jade, and तीसरा is आपका snake plant, and try and go for sunflowers and stuff. Rest I leave it to you. These are all seasonal, and these are very good for the spirit and for the mind, and from an oxygen and carbon dioxide and monoxide point of view and stuff. Not monoxide, dioxide point of view. Sorry, this is unedited, but Google it, and then go for it. Yeah, sorry, that's a slip of tongue and stuff, please don't mind it. And this is unedited. So jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapani office@gmail.com. Love and luck, and take care, and have fun, and have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers.